G1, end elevation first, extend the ground line on the elevation there. I'd also extend and project across the top point there of O. Decide on a starting point for end elevation. Basically this is because it's a square based pyramid, each side looks the same, right? So the end elevation is going to look identical to that. So what you would do is you would choose a starting point which would be chosen really so that it would be underneath, or sorry, above the label, the end elevation label. So extend that line up there, and I'm going to bring this line along to meet it, because this is basically bounds round to the elevation. At least that width there should be the width of the end elevation. So where those two meet, we draw in a bounce line, and I'm just going to bounce round the full width and the centre, and just bounce these right down to the ground line that we extended here. And here. And it's just a matter of drawing points from here to the centre, and from here to the centre. That's our end elevation, which is identical to the elevation. There's more than one way of doing that, but that's the preferred option for now. Okay, so that's done the end elevation. The true length of the sloping edge of the pyramid, this is actually sloping away from you, so that length there is not correct. In order to get the true length, what you do is you draw a horizontal line from the centre, you get your compass, you put it in the centre to the corner or the vertex, you bring that round till it hits that horizontal line or intersects it. You then extend this line down from that point, extend your ground line, and where those meet, that's the starting point for the true line. Then draw a line up from there to the top, to the O, and that there is your true length. Okay, so that's the true length done, so we can tick that off as well. Development of the sides of the pyramid using O as a starting point. Right, the reason for finding the true length is so that we can do the development. So we just measure that length using our compass, and then into this here, put the point of the compass into the O, and draw an arc round. Okay, choose a starting point. It usually makes sense just to choose point straight up from there. Number these sides 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure the length of one side. Doesn't matter what side you choose because it's a square. We'll choose that one there. Then subdivide this arc off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Draw lines out to this from the centre. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just firm this one in a bit more. Okay, now the bottom of this has straight edges, so we just connect these points up. And basically that's us done, except that these lines here really should be drawn as fold lines. So we draw these as fold lines with long, short, short, long, short, short, long. So it's long, short, short, chain line. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short. Only for the inside lines, of course, because the outside ones are outside edges. Long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long. And that's G1 complete.